Hi friends, hi friends everyone. You will discussion about the relationship between the tables. So how to give the relationship between the table? We have a task on that. First load the on 9 tables into Power Pivot and give the relationship between the tables. We have to read each and every point and understanding those point, and we have to do the requirement as per the requirement points only. Okay, so they create the relationship between the data tables and sales table using the common column, date key column, and date table. Order date key and ship date key in the sales table. Active relationship should be order date key and date key as shown in the figure. Give the relationship between the return tables and sales table. Finally, prepare the model shown in the figure. Sales table you have only date from. Okay, so we have to do this task. um, you will do how to finish this task and how. Let's start begin. Okay, let me open the Power BI. So this is the Power BI and Power BI desktop, right? Just go to model u. So this is one of the best feature in the Power BI, right? In the Power Pivot, this is the Power Pivot, right? So by by Power BI itself, it will create the relationship between the tables if there is a common column. We want to create separately. By itself it will create the Power BI relationship between the with the common column. See, the automatic build the relationship. See, this is the ship date mode, this is sale date, this is common column between the ship model and same. This is also product tables, this is address, this is segment and customers and reason. The all are creating the relationship between the table with the common column. So see, other than the two tables, there is a date table and return table. There is no relationship between the sales table. We have to create the relationship between the both tables. So this is order date, right? This is the common column, right? This is order date. This is the common column. So we have to give the relationship between the both the tables. We have to establish the relationship. Order date just drag into returns table, so it automatically it will create the relationship. Okay, this is the relationship. And date table, this is the date key, right? And this is here also date column, order date key. You just drag into date key, it says data into date table. It establishes the relationship between the date key and sales data table and data leave. It establishes the relationship. You have to give inactive relationship also, other ship date key and date key also. This is every table has a one active relationship. Okay, and we have a multiple inactive relationship. I hope you understand this, guys. And also this is the inactive relationship. Like this is a dot lines, and active relationship has a line between the tables. Okay, I hope you understanding this task, guys. Thank you for watching this video.